It's Mr. Huff, and in this video we are going to make a schedule that goes along with our color-coded floor plans. So we have the ground floor and the second floor. And what we're going to do is add a schedule, then we're going to add two sheets, one for the ground floor and the schedule, and one for the second floor. So let's get started with that. So what we're going to do first is go to schedules, put in new schedule, and we're going to go to rooms is what we're looking for. So let's just keep scrolling until we see rooms, and then click OK. Okay, so we're going to have this. What we want to include is, let's see, we want to include the level so we can see if it's on the first floor or the second floor, and the name of the room, that'll be fine. And let's also look for the area. So that's going to be probably good enough on this. So we'll have the level, the name of the room, and the area. That's what we want. So we're going to click OK on that. And then we can look at this. Make sure it doesn't have anything that is unassigned. If you do see anything like that, you just right-click on it and choose Delete Row. Okay? And if you don't like the order here, you can add different things. But we've got our room schedule. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add two sheets. We're going to do a color-coded first floor and color-coded second floor. So I'm going to go here and choose New Sheet. And I don't have the B11 by 17, so I need to go to the title blocks folder and find that B11 by 17. This is the one we want, okay? And then I'm going to hit OK. First thing we want to do, instead of unnamed, this is going to be first floor and schedule. So it's the first floor plan and schedule. That's a little weird, so I'm just going to put first floor plan and leave that off. So I don't like it wrapping where it's on more than one. Also update the owner. So this is civil for me, and the project name is eLab. So put in stuff that's meaningful to your project. Okay. Now I have the sheet here. So what we're going to do is let's use this as a first floor. So if I look at what I have here, this is the one I want. So I'm going to drag in ground floor room plan and put this right here. If you look on this, it's really big, so we're going to adjust the scale here. So if you go down this list, it should get smaller, so I'm going to try that. And that still doesn't fit, so I'm going to go down one more. And let's try 3/32. So you're just going to do this until the floor plan fits on there and takes up most of the page. And if you look at that, that still doesn't fit, so I'm going to go down one more and go to 1/16, and this is probably going to be the one I need. So there's our floor plan. It's 1/16. Notice this line over here is bad, so I don't like that, so we're going to delete that and drag it in again. Boom, right there, and drop that right in here. The other thing we want to do is get our room schedule and drop that right here. And I'm going to adjust the width of this until nothing is wrapping, so mostly I need to move this column over. And now everything should fit on a single row, except for the ground floor also needs to be wider, so we'll scoot that over. And now we have a room schedule where it's everything's on one row. That's really the key to that. So now we have a room schedule for that first floor. So now we're going to add another sheet. New sheet, and this is going to be that B11 by 17. And no, we've already loaded it. I don't have to do that again, so we're just going to click on OK. And this one is going to be floor plan, second floor plan. All right, so I've got that. And what we learned is that 1/16 is the rendering we need. So we're going to get the second floor room plan, drop that in here. Again, it's way too big, but we learned in our last adventures that we need to go to the 1/16 equals 1 foot, and that's going to work. And the title is all messed up, so I'm going to delete and just drop that in a second time. And we'll put that kind of in the center on this one. And now we have our two sheets. We have this sheet, which is our floor plan. Probably need to clean this up a little bit. So let's go to the ground floor room plan. I need to view my crop box a little bit. Let's move this over And that's going to let us move the legend over so that it is not overlapping everything. So it's still not as tidy as I would like, but it's better. All right, so I'm going to try to scooch that down just a little bit, okay? And now we have that. I might, just for this one, I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to right-click and hide in view. And that way that's not overlapping. So now we've got that. So if we go back to our first floor plan, that should be updated. So I need to move stuff around a little bit to get everything to fit. And that should be better. Okay. Now I don't have any overlap here. That's nicer. But notice it messed this up. So rather than struggle with that, I'm just going to delete it and drop in my ground floor plan one more time and put it where I can see that in this schedule. And then on the second floor, I see this. All right. And we need to do the same thing on this one. So let's go to the second floor plan. And this is because I changed that scale pretty dramatically. And it made these a lot bigger than they originally were. And same thing we did last time. Let's get that. Right-click, hide in view. And now we've got that cleaned up. So now let's go back to the second floor drawing. And I don't like this title at the bottom, so we're going to delete the whole thing and drop it back in there. All right, in 37 easy tries, we finally got it to look the way we want. All right, now, what I want to do now is print both of those pages. So we're going to choose print, and where is it export? I think it's print. Yeah, print. We'll try print. And we're going to choose Microsoft Print to PDF. And over here, we want to do selected views and sheets. And we're also going to combine multiple into one file. So right here, I'm going to go select the sheets. So if I uncheck the 2D views and the 3D views, then we just get down to sheets. I'm going to check both of those and then click select. And then when I print OK here, it's going to go to my document. No, it's, let's see where it goes. I'm going to click OK. It's going to Revit Project, Affordable Homes. You just need to know where it's going to go so you can find it. I'm going to move it to, what is the name of this? Project 23 eLab. So I'm going to put this as color code floor plan. All right, once I've got that done, I can go to that folder. So I'm going to hit the file browser, go to documents, go to my Revit projects. And then I'm looking for the one that says 2023. And if I open this one, this is what I have. So I have a nice 2-level floor plan. All right, so that's a real quick run through of producing those drawings, and from there you should be great. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.